Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing everything that makes the attack on Titan playstyle work. First, equip the AOT skin or cosmetics so you're visually committed. Next, choose a high-mobility weapon like an SMG or close-range AR and attach a compensator plus quick grip. This keeps recoil manageable while you dash. Once done, set a higher sensitivity preset for fast flicks and spend a minute in training to confirm your aim and movement feel right before you deploy to match. You now execute the AOT-style engagements by prioritizing mobility and surprise. Strafe and weave, mixing jump-slide combos to close distance fast while remaining hard to hit. When you spot an enemy, peek briefly and fire controlled short bursts aiming for the upper torso or head. This maximizes damage in split-second windows. Also, use grenades or smoke to funnel opponents into tight spaces so you can isolate fights. Then finish with a swift push rather than a prolonged exchange. You finish fights decisively and transition smartly to stay alive. After downing an opponent, close and use melee or a single-shot finish to save time and ammo. Once combat ends, either revive teammates quickly or reposition behind solid cover to reset the fight tempo. If things go wrong, like inconsistent recoil or missed flicks, don't panic. Lower your sensitivity by about 10%, recalibrate in training, and adjust attachments until recoil patterns feel predictable. Make sure to retest in real matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.